Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see chapter number 2, Nutrition in Animals. In the previous two videos, we have seen part 1 and part 2. In the part 2, we have completed up to main 8. Today we'll see main 9. Write two points of difference between 2 marks each, small intestine and large intestine. Point 1. In small intestine, it is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meters long. In large intestine, it is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meters long. Second point, digestions of food and absorptions of nutrients occur in it. And second points in large intestine is only absorptions of water and some salts from the undigested food occur in it. Now see main 10. Match the following properly. Write the alphabet index of column B in the answer box. 2 marks each. First of all, we will see column A. 1. Stomach. Number 2. Liver. Number 3. Small intestine. Number 4. Large intestine. And in column B, A. The largest gland in the body. B. Storage of undigested food. C. Absorptions of water. D. Partial digestion of protein. E. Digestion is completed. Number 1. Stomach. Match with the D. Partial digestion of protein. Number 2. Liver. Match with the A. The largest gland in the body. Number 3. Small intestine. Match with the E. Digestion is completed. Large intestine. Match with the C. Absorptions of water. Now see number 2. Column A. First of all, we'll see column A. Number 1. Saliva. 2. Bile. 3. Hydrochloric acid. 4th one. Intestinal juice. And column B. A. Stomach. B. Buccal cavity. C. Small intestine. D. Large intestine. And E. Liver. Number 1. Saliva. Match with the B. Buccal cavity. Number 2. Bile. Match with the E. Liver. Number 3. Hydrochloric acid. Match with the A. Stomach. And intestinal juice match with the C. Small intestine. Now we will see the next page. Main 11. Answer the following questions in detail. 4 marks each. Explain digestion process occurring in the small intestine. Answer is, when the food comes into the stomach, its inner lining secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive enzyme. The mucus protects the lining of stomach. Hydrochloric acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and makes the medium acidic in the stomach. Churning of foods occurs in stomach and food gets converted into semi-liquid form. Next point, in acidic medium, digestive enzymes becomes active and breaks down the proteins into simpler substance. Last point is, thus in stomach partial digestion of protein occurs and finally food passes into small intestine. Now see, activities table is various modes of feeding. Number 1, name of the animal, kind of the food and mode of feeding. Snail. Snail what eats? So leaves and small insects. And feeding mode is cracking. Ant eats small particles of sugar and flour. And its feeding mode is chewing. Eagle eats rat and small birds. And feeding mode is capturing, tearing and swallowing. Hummingbird, what eats? Small insects and nectar. In a mode of feeding is a sucking. Lice eat blood and it's a sucking mode. Mosquito, blood and mode is sucking mode. Butterfly, nectar and sucking mode. Housefly, sweet and dirty liquid and solid substance, and it's a sucking mode. Now see the next page. Number 2, to know about the types, numbers and functions of teeth. Apparatus and materials. It's a teeth in mouth procedure. Now first of all we will see the figure given. Here it's a molar teeth. These two are the premolar both the side, and this one are the canine, and these four are the incisors. These two are canine, this one is the canine, and these four are the incisor teeth. This is the type of the teeth in our mouth. Procedure: wash your hands, then open your mouth, see in a mirror and calculate your teeth. Next point, touch each tooth individually with your one finger and determine the type of teeth. Eat a piece of bread or an apple. Next point, see and feel which teeth are used for cutting and biting, which teeth for tearing, and which teeth for chewing and grinding. Now see the types of teeth, functions of teeth, number of teeth, lower jaw, upper jaw and total teeth. Now see incisor. Functions of teeth are cutting and biting. Lower jaw 4 teeth and upper jaw 4 teeth, total teeth 8. Canine. Functions of teeth are brushing and tearing. Lower jaw 2, upper jaw 2 and total teeth 4. Types of teeth: premolar. Functions of teeth, it's a chewing. Lower jaw 4 and upper jaw 4 and total teeth 8. Types of teeth: molar. Functions of it's a grinding. Lower jaw 6 teeth, upper jaw 6 teeth and total 12, and total 32 teeth are there. Number 3, to demonstrate that saliva converts substance containing starch into sugar. Apparatus and materials: 2 test tube, boiled rice teaspoons, C, water, iodine solution and dropper. Now see the figure. This one are the 2 test tubes. These 2 are droppers. See, test tube. And in this test tube, iodine solution is there. Here it's a water is there. And this one, it's a here in A test tube number A, boiled rice is there, and test tube number B, boiled and chewed rice is there. Okay. Now see, go ahead. Procedure: take 2 test tubes, label them A and B as I shown you in the figure. Next point, in test tube A, put 1 teaspoon of boiled rice. Okay. And in test tube B, keep 1 test tube of boiled rice after chewing it for 3 to 5 minutes. As I shown you in the figure, in the test tube number A, boiled rice are there, and test tube number B, boiled rice, 1 test tube of boiled rice is there after chewing it. Okay. Now see the next point. I add 3 to 4 ml of water in both the test tubes. Now next point. Now pour 2-3 drops of iodine solution in each test tube and observe. Here you have to add iodine solution, 2-3 drop. Okay. Which solution you have to add? Iodine solution and 2-3 drops. Observation. Now see the what observes is there. In test tube A, solutions become black or blue, which indicates presence of starch. In test tube A, the solution becomes black or a blue, and it indicates that it's a starch is present. And in test tube B, soil becomes solution becomes not change, which indicates that absence of starch. Now in test tube B, the solution is not change, color not change, and it indicates that here the starch is absent. Now conclusion is that the saliva breaks down the starch into sugars. We conclude that the saliva breaks into the starch into the sugars. Now main 4, to find the locations of taste buds which detect different taste on the tongue. See here where we detect bitter taste. So here we have to we detect bitter taste, here sweet taste, salty taste, and in the middle sour taste. Here your chapter is completed and we will see the next chapter in the next video. Okay, bye.